am Ulises.
And I am Jose, and we live in St. Kilda. We built a community here. I felt so good when I started walking on the neighborhood and people started waving me. So I was like, oh God, now I belong to this community. For us, this is a multifunctional place. So things that frustrate us. Well, I have my office here in the same area where we entertain. Ulises has his area for painting and all his work that some of the times is in different places.
Jose likes to have everything more organized and have them hidden somewhere, and yeah, it's always a problem. Once we have organized with a storage of like this area is mine and this area is yours, so you can have all your things here and you don't cross this line of my area.
It would be great to have everything more nice and tight. And at the same time, keep our character. Looks amazing. I was like, wow. Everything now has its own place. Everything together looks very well designed as a whole concept.
I really love this area because of the new lamp and the light. Even in the balcony there is a new like solar lamp. Sometimes I just turn off all the lights and sit here and it feels relaxed.
We still have different spaces, but now everything has a nice flow and we can share the area as well.
I have this new trolley.
Now he has spots to put his artist materials.
And it's very handy.
Well, it's a great place to entertain our visitors. We really love it. And I love that IKEA worked around our style. It is still our place, but totally improved. Usually we say that this was a war zone.
And now it's a peaceful zone.